Hi, I'm Shona McElroy, Principal of Smac Studio. Welcome to my newly renovated apartment. And obviously we had to use marble. This one is an amazing Calicotta Verde from CDK Stone. I love it. We've done these tiny little details that just really elevate it. Its little kind of corner profiles match all of our profiles up here. And then we've taken it in the bullnose around the window and it just works so well. We've also got our cooktop right in the island, which I really love when we're hosting. Everyone's kind of standing around, I'm cooking. Yeah, all really functional and beautiful. The main three things when we were looking for an apartment that I really, really wanted, but I did not think I would get all three, was north-facing aspect, which means that we get sun all day long. You can kind of see how sunny it is here now, but it's even like this on a gloomy day, which is fantastic. I reckon my mood as well is completely lifted by just having a sunny spot to go and sit. The second thing was the high ceilings. They're 3.3. I really wanted this like big cornice, this kind of Parisian style, something you can only get in an older building nowadays, really. And then the third thing, which I was like, I'm definitely not gonna get this, however we have lucked out, is a view of Sydney Harbour. I think if you're living in Sydney, it's such an amazing harbour. It's so awesome to see. We're so elevated. We can see right over Double Bay, over to Manly, and you can see how beautiful and sparkly it is. And it's just so gorgeous no matter what the weather. So along with the big girl house, I was pretty determined to buy like one key piece of art that would represent, I guess, the finishing of the first home. And I had my eyes on Johnny Nishi for years, and Stark White, the gallery from New Zealand, happened to be selling a piece of his art as I was kind of looking. And yeah, this one is 1.5 by 1.5. It's silk printed. It's almost trippy when you look at it. You can't kind of tell where the edges blur. And I friggin' love it. Like, this wall could not be more perfect for it. I get to stand and cook and stare at it. And it's just another vista. I'm obsessed, I'll have it for life. And then this is my little secret bag storage. I wanted to exercise a little bit of restraint here in comparison to our projects, which can often be really, really fun and eccentric sometimes. So this one is so personal to me. I feel like it's really just the essence of everything that I love in design. The kind of Parisian meets mid-century in some parts meets just fun. Thank you so much for coming and looking through the apartment. I feel it was so great to be able to show you from start to finish as well and document this journey. And I hope you love it.